बोलो. Yeah, exchange. Second requirement. Yes, if I want to give you, I have one banana, then I will ask you give me two mango, then I will give you a banana, something like that, exchanging. Okay. And next what? These are the need. No? You have something excess, you want to give to somebody and you want to take somebody something from others. So, it is an exchange sort of thing, very good. Next. Hmm. Just think anything, anything you can tell. Next comes in general comparing. What compare? When you go for exchange, no, then whether 2 mango and 3 banana or 3 mango with 2 banana, this thing. So, you want to compare which is what, or when you have given Didi, she got 3 chocolates, I got 2 chocolates. So, like that comparing who is getting more or less something. So, there it is comparing. And next most important requirement next in society, that human society, what was their next requirement? Just try to feel it, because math we are doing for some need, no, we know that what type of needs we have, and then we can easily evolve some method to solve that one. What was the next requirement? Now, the people got numbers, that stone age people I am talking about. Now, they can count, then now they can exchange, now they can compare. Then what is their next requirement? What they will do? Just think of. They will make shelter. So, what mathematics required in shelter? They have to measure. Then third or fourth requirement is measurement. Okay. And when we have measurement, then fourth requirement, I will now giving these things. These are the list I have tried to make. It is not complete list, but some of the requirements I have identified. Agreeing on that? Next was the time keeping, next requirement, because people started noticing that everything is in the world is cyclic, day night, afternoon, then morning, evening, then night, then morning, these are all cyclic. But keeping track of the cycle, this rainy season, winter season, summer season, by experience they get feel of that things, everything, but they cannot predict. That time clock was not there, it was a great hurdle for them. They know that now summer is there, winter rainy season will come, but when it will come, today, tomorrow, that measurement, time measurement was not there, a calendar was not there. So, that was a great problem time for human society. So, like that in every time, every throughout this civilization, from this early age to today's mathematics, we had different type of requirement at different times. Okay. And for those requirements, many mathematics has been developed. Okay. So, these are the things. Natural numbers. Natural numbers I told you, what is the whole number? Yes, when 0 is added, then it become whole number. Then integer, very good. And rational number, p by two numbers, division of two numbers. Irrational number, no. Yeah, there are some numbers and all these stories, these are having very interesting and elaborate stories about all this math development. If I start telling all these stories, it will take 2-3 classes. but one irrational number story you must learn, because when you learn first irrational number, can you anybody remember at what class this irrational number was started? Fifth. Where it was first appeared? Remember? No? Pythagoras theorem. What is the story? That square root of 2. Finding the square root of 2, there was a no square root, is not it? Then it becomes irrational. So, irrational, there is a number, but it cannot be put in number line. So, we place that it can be in between these two numbers, but exactly it cannot be placed in number line. So, this is a special number which is not placed in a number line. And then real numbers, what is that real numbers? Combination of all the above numbers, this is natural number, whole number, integers, rational, irrational, combinedly all you can say real numbers. Then imaginary number, what is the imaginary number? What is the imaginary number? Very good, minus n, iota, very good. But you see that iota, we write it I is a letter, and we tell that it is a number, and this type of ambiguity, lots of ambiguity are there. And if somebody, some students try to mechanically learn all these things without knowing these things, then they face maximum problem in learning mathematics, because this iota, it is a letter, how we can say it is a number, but we have become so habituated using I, then we never face problem that it is not a number, is not it. So, we will discuss about this where from this imaginary number comes. We will take a short break, and then after this break we will start our second session. We will take 5 to 7 minutes break. Okay? Thank you.